The 2018 Q5. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist, Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, overhead console, rear floor mats, trip odometer. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. Come take a test drive today.